welcome back to another Kids Craft Corner with the Hoka Ellington Memorial Library. My name is Miss Laura and today we are making a newspaper shark. So in your supply kit that you picked up from the library, you have a piece of newspaper, a piece of white cardstock, a small piece of blue construction paper, a strip of white cardstock, two googly eyes, a piece of black construction paper, and some glue dots. Okay, so for our first step, we're going to cut our newspaper shark out in any shape that we want to do. So I'm going to make mine kind of triangular. I'm going to give it a little bit of curves to it. So the cool thing about this craft is everyone's is going to look different depending on how you cut out your shark. Just get a little bit of creativity in there. Alright, so this is how I've cut out my newspaper. So I'm going to use my glue dots to glue my newspaper shark to my white cardstock. Alright, now that we've glued our newspaper to our cardstock, our next step is to take our small piece of blue construction paper and we're going to cut out some waves to add to our shark. So you can cut out your waves any way you want. And we're just going to put our waves on the very bottom of our cardstock. I'm going to use my glue dots again to get that construction paper to stick. Okay, so far we've got the body of our shark and our waves. So our next two steps is we're going to take our black construction paper and cut out a mouth, and our white cardstock, and we're going to cut out some triangles for our teeth. So there's my mouth. And I'm just going to cut triangles for my white teeth. See how they'll look, and I'm going to attach them to my mouth. Alright, so I have my mouth attached and I've put my teeth on my shark. So our very last step is to attach our two googly eyes. So I'm going to use my last two glue dots for that. We have our newspaper shark. So make sure to tune in tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. for a shark themed story time to go along with our newspaper shark craft. Thanks for joining us for Kids Craft Corner. We'll see you next week.